owa-siwas. So, may idea sa ng owa-siwas. So, owa-siwas means to swing or to swing something in the air. So this, it is similar. So, it is similar to the pagdampo sa ilaw and is typically performed by fishermen to celebrate a good catch. So, ako ipakita ninyo ang picture. Kani, nakapakita. So, pandang ko sa ilaw is similar to the pandang ko sa uwas-iwas is similar to the pandang ko sa ilaw. So, makita ninyo kung picture na dara na perform siya sa mga fishermen o sa ilang mga asawa to perform na kanang itong mga kuwas ng daghan. So,
fishermen.
In this version, the lamps are placed in
Celebration.
close net and swung around as the dancers are always. So, so Mazorca Boholana is a Spanish-inspired ballroom dance from the Bohol province of the Philippines. So the country was under the rule of Spain for more than 300 years, during which time local culture was markedly influenced. So although the Mazorca is the provincial national dance, it was widely popular throughout Europe in the 19th century and even in colonized land overseas. So the Philippines dance is ordinarily performed by men and women partners. So, picture ka sa dili siya makita.
Send na lang sa kuan.
Ang Mazorca Boholana. So, ang part na i-explain na lang na ako sa inyo kung saan ang dance ng So, Mazorca Boholana, local dance with sliding and hopping steps similar to waltz but lighter. So, pagkabantay mo ang sakon na magambak-ambak bitaw, na magsayaw, na partners. Then, gentle turns and graceful arm gestures show elegance and courtship. Next, we have next. So the next is the La Estudiantina. So please read.
La Estudiantina is a Spanish-inspired dance of the Philippines.
The country was under the rule of Spain for more than 300 years, during which time local culture was much influenced. So, ang La Estudiantina performed in pairs or groups moving in smooth coordinate steps like ang La Estudiantina. So, it is performed, dancers often face each other, exchanging positions while keeping movements light and refined. Like simple sa Maria Clara, So next is the Binasuan. So, Binasuan is an entertaining dance that is usually performed at festive social occasions like weddings and birthdays. So, dancers carefully balance 3 hung-reeled glasses of rice wine on their heads and hands as they gracefully spin roll on the ground. So, the word Binasuan means with the use of drinking glass. Kasi ito na ay katong red glass na pulo. Water na nakuhan. And it refers to show to how the performance balance glasses on their heads and hands while gracefully dancing. This is especially tricky because the glasses are filled with rice wine or some other form of liquid. Pero sa tuwa kasi kada ginabutangan na is katong tubig man siguro. Also, dancer balance glasses with rice wine on their head. They spin, sway, and even roll on the floor without dropping sa katong glasses na sa ilang ulo. So, we have the last, the Alcam 4. So, Alcam 4 is a dance from Leyte, a province of the Philippines located in the Visayas group of islands. So in this dance, the girl holds a handkerchief laced with camphor. Katang camphor ito nga, oil na siya nga, murag kanang
Ngit-ngit na pinapos.
oil na siya. As of dance that is locally true to Indian romance, she flirts with the man by waving her scented handkerchief in front of the face. So,
Okay raman.
movements include clapping, tapping, and mimicking. Flirtatious action to show unwanted beat or cheat. Like, for example, may handkerchief din. While kasayaw, yung ginaana-ana sa laki ang na-sense of
Char.
Wow!
I-erase na nabi. Ang sama na eh.